In this video, we're going to go over the brand new Aolani Ukuleles. These are the imported line from Cornerstone. Yes, I have all four models, and this took a lot just to hold these like this, but it's worth it because I'm going to show you each one of these in this video. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and yeah, this is going to be a great video. I'm actually pretty surprised I was able to grab all these ukes by myself and show them to you, but anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And this is cool because these just came in. Where did they come in? The #1 store for all your ukulele needs at store.ukelikethepros.com. And I did get all four models of these. I'm going to show you each one of these models. They're pretty spectacular. Looking inside some great woods on here. And yeah, shall we? Let's dive right in. We're going to go over the all solid Acacia, the solid spruce top with solid rosewood, the mahogany version, and the spruce top with the Chord. These new Aolanis from Cornerstone, they come in 4 different ukes. I got them all here for you. And they also come in 3 different levels. They come in the standard level, the premium level, and the elite level. And I do have all of them for you in this video. But just know these are all tenor sizes. And the cool thing is everything's the same on them as far as the specs. But I'm going to teach you what standard means, what the premium level means, what the elite means, and like I said, I have all the models. So in this video, I want you to, as you're listening to these, put a comment below which one that you like. We're going to start with the mahogany one, then we're going to go with the spruce rosewood, then the all solid acacia, and then the spruce koa one in that order. All right, let's do it. All right, so if you know anything about Cornerstone ukes and Peter Morelios, he makes really high-end ukes, like really high-end ukes, all custom, and they actually have basically this look, this shape for his Cornerstone. Those things go up, I mean, $5,000, $6,000+ for those. They're all custom. Each one is different and unique. So what he did is he brought in this line. This one is from China, his imported line, to bring you a great ukulele at a great price. So this is kind of the starter level uke right here. This is a solid mahogany, and then it does have laminate backs and sides. And again, as I go through, all the specs are the same. The only thing that's going to be different is the woods, and then some of like the elite will have some different, like abalone and stuff like that, some different tuners. I'm going to go over all that. So anyway, this was a really nice price point. What I like about all of these is they have really nice details, like the armrest here. They do have the nice abalone rosette. And then this is the Cornerstone shape of the uke. So a nice uke for a solid top. Now, they come in standard, premium, and elite. And you know how we do it here. Always get the premium, always get the elite. Don't just get the standard, because there's a reason why it's premium. There's a reason why it's going to add some features, add some bonuses, and although the price goes up a little bit, it's definitely worth it. So this one is the premium of the mahogany series, and just has a little bit of the nicer grain. It also comes with the hard shell case. Let me grab that. All right, here it is. And you know how much I stress hard shell case. Matter of fact, I have a video on it because that's a different label. Don't worry about that. That have a different label on it. But these are the Aolani hard shell cases. These are one of my favorite cases. These olive green, really nice and hard shell with the blue interior. Now, besides the case, the other thing that these premiums come with is Peter upgrades by hand, by the way. He gets these in and then he upgrades them. He checks these out. He puts the nice Goto tuners on here to make it a little bit easier to play, tune, all that kind of stuff. All right, now, tenor size, as I mentioned. So we do have the 17-inch scale length. Again, all of them are going to the same, so I don't have to go over every dimension on each one, but you got the 17-inch scale length, and you have just about 1.5 inch nut width right here. These all have the, let me show you here, the abalone, and then the ebony binding, as well as the ebony fretboard and the ebony headstock. So really nice details for a really great price. So all right, let me do a little playing. Check this out. Again, solid mahogany, laminate back and sides. what did you think of that first one? Leave a comment below. Don't forget all of them at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, the next one here, I was trying to remember the order I said earlier, but we're going to do the solid spruce top with the rosewood back and side, which is really cool. You don't see tons of ukuleles with rosewood. It's more of a guitar thing, so it's really cool when you see it in a uke. All right, I'll do a little bit more playing. Now, this is the Elite model. So what is the Elite? So we have the Standard, which I don't even have here. Because you know we don't do Standard. We do VIP style. We do Premium. We do the Elite. You know, that's how we roll. You like the pros. I mean, come on. All right. But this one has the solid spruce top. Now, what makes this Elite? Well, you still have the abalone rosette. But if you notice, this one has the abalone purfling here, which is really nice. I like that a lot. Still has the cutaway. And... yeah, so I was just trying to think what I was going to say next. Solid spruce top, really nice, clean, solid spruce top. And then the nice rosewood, really nice rosewood. That's my son. He's in here with me. Rosewood right there. And what's nice about these combinations of woods, the spruce has generally got a lot of pop to it, right? A lot of brilliance, a lot of kind of loudness. And then the rosewood is just kind of a nice balanced wood. It's still kind of a hard wood, so you get a nice crisp tone from it. That's why you have so many guitars built off it. But it does balance out the spruce a little bit, all right? Everything else is the same, tenor scale lengths, almost a nut, just slightly under 1.5 inch, 17 inches, blah, blah. I don't got to go over that. Everything else is the same on this one right here. So, and you do get the hard shell case when you get it from me at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let me do a little playing here. All right, now we got one that's really stunning because, of course, this one's going to look the most like koa, but this one is all solid acacia. I mean, just look at this. Just absolutely stunning right here. Boom. Boom. Really, really nice acacia wood on all these ukes. So, okay, what model is this? Let's see. You know what the Elite has? It has a nice abalone purfling. So this one doesn't. So this one is the premium. So what makes it premium, all right? Nicer wood than the standard. And as a matter of fact, I didn't even order any standards. I just got all premium, all Elite for you because they're the best. All right, but you got the nicer wood. You do get the hard shell case, and then you do get the upgraded tuners as well on these things. So actually very, very nice. Very, very nice sound. All right, that's it. That's it. Everything else is the same, but this acacia wood I've noticed is really nice. Of all the ones I've looked at, I just grabbed this one. This one is gorgeous, but you know, they all have a unique character, and you can see all the different pictures up at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let me do a little playing for it. And as you're listening to the acacia wood compared to the spruce top, you're going to notice it's just going to be a nice warmer sound. So it's not going to be as loud because acacia is not like that. It's very close to the koa sound, sounding a little bit crisper than koa, but it's still, this is going to have a nice kind of warm, a lot of kind of mid-range sound. So if that's kind of a tone you're looking for, then that acacia is really going to make a big difference here. All right, let me do some playing here. All right, now the last one, as I mentioned, these are all 4 of the current models. They all are tenors. They all 17 inch, all 1.5 inches. I've gone over that. All the specs are the same. It's just the woods and then what level you get. This one right here is a premium spruce top. Yeah, spruce top. Check this out. Koa, that's right, solid koa back and sides. Look at that. Bam. How amazing is that? You know, koa, I mean, that's the standard in all Hawaiian-made ukuleles. But, oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, so this is a premium model. Remember, we have the standard, the premium, and the elite. So what is a premium? A little bit nicer wood. It's got the nice hard shell case. It's got the nice tuners on it as well. Now, this is a great sounding uke because you have, again, the spruce top, lots of vibrance, lots of volume, lots of clarity, and then you have the nice warmth of the koa wood to really balance it out. And so this one just has a nice, really nice crisp sound, but then it's got a nice, really warm overtones. All right, what do you think? By the way, thanks for being here and smashing that like button. All right, so we did each one individually. Now, let me just gonna pick a song. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick a song. I'm gonna play all four of them back to back to back. We'll do the same order: the Mahogany, then the Spruce Rosewood, then the Solid Acacia, and then the Spruce Koa one. And then I want you to see which one do you like, or what do you even hear the difference between all of them. All right, you ready? Let's do it. All right, so there you got to hear all four of them. Which one did you like the sound of? Because that's important. But also, which one do you like the looks of? I think that's important too. When you have an ukulele you like to look at, it's going to help you just want to pick it up and play it as well. So anyway, those are all four of the Aolani ukuleles. They all have a special quality to them. Again, all the ones I've shown you are either premium or elite. And they all come with a hard shell case because that's how we do it at store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, my thoughts on these. Really made instruments for solid wood. I mean, the Mahogany one has solid top and laminate back and sides, but for solid wood, really nice instruments, all really well priced. Really great price. All of them under $1,000, even the elite ones. My son seems to like it right there too. But anyway, great ukes, great job, Aolani, great job, Cornerstone, great job, Peter, on these new ukes. Check them all out, store.ukelikethepros.com. Sonny agrees too. Check it out.